Going to see level of software testing. So, software testing divided into 4 levels. First is the unit testing, second is integration testing, third is the system testing, and fourth is the user acceptance testing. Let's see the first testing. Unit testing. Unit testing is a white box testing technique. This testing is done by the developers. In this testing, developer check individual model is working as per customer requirements or not. That's it. Second is the integration testing. Integration testing is a white box testing technique. This testing is done by the developers. Combine two or more than two models together and check it is working as per customer requirements or not. Is known as the integration testing. Third is a system testing. System testing is a black box testing technique. This testing is done by the testers. Testing the overall functionality of the application is working as per customer requirement or not is called as system testing. Input document for system testing is SRS document. Last is a UAT, user acceptance testing. UAT stands for user acceptance testing. It is also called as a client acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is done after system testing and before launch. This testing is done by the customer or end users. In this testing, customer or end user check application is working as per customer requirements or not. UAT is divided into two types. First is alpha and second is a beta. Alpha testing is also called as a internal UAT. Alpha testing is performed to identify bug before releasing the product to real user. Alpha testing is done by the internal team. And second is the beta testing. Beta testing is also called as external UAT. Beta testing is performed by the group of end users. In this testing, testers and developers are not involved. That's it. Thank you. Keep learning.